In this video, we want to solve for x given 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. We have 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. Let us take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. So log 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to log 40. By law of logarithm, given log a raised to power m, this will give us m times log a. So this gives us x minus 2 times log 4 is equal to log 40. Then we divide both sides by log 4. So that log 4 cancels log 4 here, leaving us with x minus 2 is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. Then I will express this as x minus 2 is equal to log 40 here is 8 times 5 divided by log 4. And if we choose to open this bracket, we can do so using this law of logarithm. Given log a times b, by law of logarithm, this will give us log a plus log b. Then we're going to have x minus 2 is equal to log 8, then plus log 5, then divided by log 4. We can separate this division to give us x minus 2 is equal to log 8 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4. Then we can express this as x minus 2 is equal to log 8 is 2 raised to power 3, then divided by log 4 is 2 raised to power 2, plus log 5 divided by log 4 is 2 raised to power 2. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Log 2 divides by log 2 here to give us 1. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus, I'm going to write this as 1 over 2 times log 5 divided by log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2 is of the form log a divided by log b. And by law of logarithm, this will give us log a base b. So x minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. The next thing we'll do here will be to add 2 to both sides so that this gives us x is equal to 2 plus 3 over 2, then plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This will give us x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2, bringing us to the final answer for x. Then we do a quick check to confirm that this value is correct. To do that, we substitute this value into the given equation. 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. This would then imply 4 raised to power 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 minus 2 is equal to 40. Then we say 4 raised to power 7 over 2 minus 2 here will give us 3 over 2, then plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 to give us 40. To separate these powers, we use this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n will give us a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So we have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 to give us 40. 4 raised to power 3 over 2 will give us square root of 4 raised to power 3. Here also we have square root of 4. Then raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. This will give us 2 raised to power 3. This will give us 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 40. This is 8. This remains the same, 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 40. By law of logarithm, this expression is of the form a raised to power log m base a, which will give us m. Hence, this expression will give us 5. Then we have 8 times 5 to give us 40. 8 times 5 is 40, so we have 40 is equal to 40. And the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And with that being the case, it confirms that the solution we got is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.